Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be using some Regex. So I'm going to match the word at the end of a string. So I'm going to create a subroutine here called end string. And now we're going to create a string called scalar sentence. And we're going to just say something like this is a sentence. Okay, now we're going to bring in a conditional using if the sentence. And 1 second here, I'm just going to have to bring up a little program here. So I have a problem with the matching operator on my computer. The button doesn't work for some reason, so I've come up with this little workaround. Okay, so we're going to use the matching operator here. If this matches, and then sentence, and we're going to use this $ here, it's spelled wrong, to match a word at the end of the sentence. So if we get a match at the end of that sentence, we're going to do something. Sorry, that's wrong, made a mistake there, it shouldn't be a scalar. That's it, so we're matching the word sentence at the end of this string. Okay, so we're going to print a message to the user. If it's successful, end of string match. So if we get a match with that word at the end of the string, it will print us this message. If we don't, we're going to use the else, which is a catch-all, any other condition, and the only other condition can be at the moment is that there's no match. So print no match. New line. Okay, now all we do is call it end string. Okay, so let's call it. Let's run the program. We've got a little bit of an error here. Okay, let's sort that out. Okay, I didn't close it with the parenthesis. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, end of string match. So we've got a match there because it's matched sentence to the end of the string. So let's just change the word in here. Let's change it to is. Okay, let's run the program. No match because is isn't at the end of the string. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to change this, and we're going to put start string. So what we're going to do the opposite here. We're going to match at the start or the beginning of the string. So again, we use the conditional. It's going to be sentence, and so matching. So if the sentence matches, and then we're going to use this character here, not that character, this one here, to match at the start of the string. So we want at the start of the string is this, and we're going to print a message. If we're successful in matching that, we're going to print a message to the user saying start of string match, and a new line there. If we're not successful, if that's not the case, we're going to use else here to tell the user that. Else print no match. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just change this because we're going to call the program start string. Save again, run the program. Start of string match. Okay, so we've got a match at the start of the string there. Okay, let's just alter it. Let's just put sentence. We can see sentence here is at the end of the string, so let's just save it. And again, no match because it's not at the beginning of the string. Okay, right, let's just knock that out there. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a number match. Number match, I'm going to call this. So we'll just change this here to number match. Okay, let's add one or two numbers into our string. Just random numbers inserted in here. Okay, so we've got some random numbers there. So again, we're going to use the conditional to evaluate it. So if the scalar sentence and the matching operator here, we've got to match it to a pattern, and we're going to use D here for the decimal pattern. So if we get a match for that, again we're going to print off a message, print numbers found. Or else, if that's not the case, we use else as a catch-all. Print, tell the user, numbers not found. So we didn't find any numbers in that string. Okay, let's just save it. Let's run the program. Numbers found. Of course, we found numbers in there. Let's take out the numbers. And let's see what the result will be now we've taken out these numbers. Let's run the program again. Numbers not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you like that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? I don't send out invitations. All you have to do is hit the button below and give it one of those while you're at it. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.